Here we have our simple ultrasound detector project, which we're just going to try and use to detect when a door is open. Now normally you'd have to do your serial prints to see all the numbers and then come back and try and review what the best hardware setup is. So we're just trying to get it in the right position, basically, is often the difficulty with these projects in the physical world. But with a single breakpoint and using the charting, we get a more visual representation of what's going on. So here we can see nothing's moved. Oh, there we go. So we've opened the door, closed it, but these are very short dips, so we're going to try and reposition it so that we get a longer dip, something we can be more sure of in our code. So I'm just going to physically move the project to be in a better position by the door and try it again. And as you can see, we've got a much bigger dip and a much longer dip, so we're more likely to have a positive detection using our project. Now with the ultrasound sensors you don't need to calibrate the distance due to how they work, but as you can see here, getting it in the right place to achieve exactly what you want can be quite difficult. So having this visual representation that you can pause and come back to is very useful. So with another movement, we've now got a much clearer dip and rise, so that'll be much easier to detect in our code instead of all the bouncing that we saw in the previous ones. So that's all there is to it, really. Just makes things a lot simpler when you can see what's going on, how long things will happen for in the real world, instead of having to try and work it out from serial prints or a flashing LED. So again, the debugger makes things a lot easier.